lived on the streets for 4.5 years, got tired of being tired. So I went to Arrowhead Hospital, and from there I went to Cedar House to get the help I needed. From there I went to Texas, but did not work out, so I came back to California. And they helped me get on the list for the housing through FSP. Kept asking about the housing. It finally came up, and I passed my credit check and background check. I thank God for that. I have learned, don't give up on your dreams. They do come true. For I am thankful I have my own place to be able to take care of myself and a safe place to live. Thank you very much.